History and Sports, the story of cricket. So friends, let us continue our chapter, the story of cricket. So in the last, let us see the commercialization of cricket, and that is just because of the coming of media. So our topic is commerce, media and cricket today. On the on field, the concept of third umpire means a number of decision, the major decision on the field could be referred to him, as he had the benefits to replay of the every events from all the possible angles, from all the cameras. As you can see here, this third umpire is watching from the particular event from each direction, replay it in a slow motions. The stumps also carried cameras. Umpires could talk direct to the ground staffs and others from their radios, as you can see here in his hand. And this is how this third umpire also took the decisions, and this is just because media introduced this third umpire, the technology introduced this third umpire. As I said, that after the coming of media, cricket board becomes rich. This is BCCI, the Cricket Board of India, the richest board of the world, and they become rich just by selling television rights to the television companies. Now every year a lot of events happen, the matches happen, international matches happen. I'm just giving an example of IPL. It is the IPL on which just giving rights for 10 years to set max, BCCI earn thousands of crore rupees. Not only this, but all the franchises, he sell franchises, means the city team, by crore of rupees. This is how BCCI earn a lot of money. As we know that 80% of the total amount of ICC is given by BCCI. Because of media, now cricket is too much popular. As I already given you example of the Euro Cup, whose TRP was 2.4 in the year 2007-8, I think, when the first IPL was held. The month was same, April. In India, the TRP of Euro Cup was 2.4, while the TRP of IPL was 17. So this much amount of people are watching cricket. In India, people are totally, we see a craziness in cricket, about cricket. We see the craziness on people about the game cricket, because too much amount of people are watching cricket, so the multinational companies give their advertisements and sponsor cricket too much. So this is how we see that the different boards gets a lot of money and they become too rich. This TV coverage made the cricket celebrities, besides being paid better by their cricket boards, now a larger amount of money is earned by these cricketers by different companies for advertising their products, like products, cold drinks and many other products on television. So this is how the cricketers also become very rich, just because of the commercialization of cricket, and that just because happen of the media. Now we can see a lot of cricketers sell different items through media and earn a lot of amount of money. One more thing is that TV coverage. The TV coverage expanded the audience for the game, and now each and everyone from the remote areas, from small towns and villages, can watch television. So our next point is that, as I said, that TV coverage expanded the audience. Not only this, the children who had never previously got the chance to watch international cricket because they lived outside the big cities, but now they can watch and learn these crickets and their heroes through media. The technology of satellite television and the worldwide reach of the multinational television companies created a global market of cricket. So this is how we see that how cricket expanded and the role played by media through cricket. As you can see here also the audience, how much people are, the stadium is totally full with the audience watching cricket, and this is just an IPL game, an domestic event only, not an international event. As I am saying that here you can see Narendra Modi, he became the chairman of the IPL in the year 2007, and he introduced the cricket in India 2020 in a different form. Now what we see Shah Rukh Khan dancing in cricket. We see Bollywood heroines in cricket. Akshay Kumar showing his stunt in cricket. The cheer girls we can see. So this is how we also see these types of crackers, etc. Means this person Modi, Lalit Modi, totally changed the Indian cricket and make it like a 3 hours entertaining film, make it more popular. The same thing we see played by this person, and his name is Gary Parker. The contribution of Gary Parker in the development of cricket. Gary Parker was an Australian cricket, and he was also an Australian television tycoon, as like Harsha Bhogle in India, and the same thing we see by Lalit Modi. He saw the money making potential of cricket as a television sport. He introduced many things like the World Cricket Series he introduced. He also signed up 51 of the world's leading cricketers against the wishes of the national cricket boards, and this is how he done many other steps. The innovation he introduced during this time to make cricket more attractive to television audience endured and changed the nature of the game, like he introduced color dress, protective helmets, field restrictions. Cricket under lights become the standard part of the post Parker cricket. Crucially, Parker drove home the lesson that the cricket was a marketable game which could generate a huge amount of revenue. For this, Gary Parker is known for changing the world cricket and make it more commercial. And in the last has given that the center of the gravity in cricket has shifted from old to new, means it was in England. Now from there it now shifted to Asia, and now we see the whole cricket is run by the Asian team, Asian countries. That's all in the chapter cricket, the story of cricket. Any kind of problem and doubt, you can send a comment to me, or you can also visit to my blog, which is bipindogra.blogspot.in. Thank you.